Hello, Miss India and everyone. My name is Iwan Istiananta with my student ID 211-202-1162. So in this video, I will presentation about the procedure text. My talk will be in 4 parts. There are the first, the definition of procedure text, and also the purpose of procedure text. The second, generic structure of procedure text. The third, language features of procedure text. And last but not least, the fourth, the example of procedure text. And now, let's move to the first part of my talk, which is about the definition of procedure text. We talk about the definition. There are 3 definitions about procedure text. The first, text that explain how something works or how to use instruction or operation manuals, for example, how to use a computer, the tape recorder, the microwave, the fax, and etc. The second, text that instruct how to do a particular activity, for example, recipes, rules for games, science experiments, road safety rules, and etc. And the third, text that deal with human behavior, for example, how to live happily, how to success in your career, and etc. And let's move to the purpose of procedure text. The purpose of procedure text that are to explain or tell the reader about how to make, operate, do something through the sequence of action or steps. And to explain steps, instruction to make, operate, and do something. And move to the next part, we have the generic structure of procedure text. In procedure text, there are 3 generic structures. The first, we have aims or goal. The second, the ingredients or materials. And the third, the steps. The aims or goal. The purpose of procedure text will be found in its title. For example, to explain how to make apple juice, the goal will be written into the title itself. For example, how to make apple juice. Second, ingredients or materials. Things can be materials or tools needed to make something. For example, to make apple juice, the ingredients needed are apple, water, and so on. The third, the steps. Contain steps or staging in making, doing, or operating something. This section is usually written sequentially or chronologically, starting from the initial steps to the last process until finally the purpose of procedure text is achieved. And move to the next part, the language features. Imperative sentence use adverbial of sequence or using temporal conjunction. For example, first, second, third, and last. Action verb using action verb. For example, make, take, boil, cook, and etc. Connectivize. Adverbials using adverbials or adverbs to express detail the time, place, manner accurate. For example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and etc. And all the language features of procedure text is using simple present tense. And move to the next part, we have the example of procedure text. As you can see in the screen, we have example of procedure text. There are how to make a cup of coffee. The materials and ingredients The materials and ingredients. There are 1 spoon of coffee powder, 2 spoons of sugar, hot water, a cup, and a spoon. The steps there are: first, prepare 2 spoons of sugar, a cup, hot water, a spoon of coffee powder, and a spoon. Second, put 2 spoons of sugar and spoon of coffee powder into the cup. Third, pour some hot water into the cup. And last but not least, stir it gradually and the hot coffee is ready to drink. Yeah, okay, I think that's all about my presentation. I hope my presentation will be useful for you. Thank you very much for your time and see you in the next opportunity.